Okay, before we go into Google Earth, I did say in the voice instructions I was going to show you a picture of the Google Earth car. So here is an example of the Google Earth car that drives around all over the streets and roads of the world with a 360-degree camera on top, taking the pictures that are then used in the Google Earth imagery. It's those pictures and the images from the satellites that are constantly updated and used on Google Earth. All right, back over to Google Earth now. And what we are going to do is we are going to go to google.com/earth, or just go to the Google search engine and type in Google Earth. Please go to Launch Earth. It's a really large program, so it might just take a little second to launch. And then when it launches, it will look like this. Now, when you get into Google Earth, I would like you we're just going to click on the world logo down the bottom, so the globe down the bottom, and what you get is actually a satellite image of the world. You can use your cursor, your hand cursor, to move the Earth around. Now, what I've asked you to do is take a screenshot. So if you're on an iPad, that's your side button and your home button at the same time. It automatically goes to your gallery. If you are up the top on a laptop, then I would like you please to use the print screen button, but then you'll have to paste that image using Control V into a Word document and then save the image somewhere. Okay, so the first thing I would like you to do is move the globe around and find Australia. Then you can just zoom in here like so and take your screenshot of Australia. Now, what you can do is you can keep zooming right in until you get to Victoria. Just move the map around. Okay? Now, we are looking for today your house. So we're going to be talking about my house today. And we are going to just type in a search over here. And we are going to search Kyabram. There is Kyabram here that I would like you to have a look around. Now, as it zooms in for these satellite images, you can start to see the surrounding towns. And as you get in further and move your hand cursor around, you can see the wreck here, the trotting track, the fauna park is on there. And if we go in further, we may even be able to see Kyabram P12 College. So we can click on that and it shows you there is the primary oval and there is the secondary oval. Down here you have 3D view, so it flips your map around, okay? And so you have this type of a view. Now, then you can click on the person, which will give you street view. So when you click on street view, any of these streets here that are blue means that the car has actually driven down those streets. So if we click here, we can go right in and you can actually go down the streets. You can actually walk down Lake Road. So you can choose the direction that you are going down and you just head down that direction there by clicking, and as you can see, we are on the corner of Lake Road there, and we turn, they're the tennis courts just there. So you can actually walk down the streets in Kyabram, which is pretty cool. And if I keep following this down, I can go all the way down the main street. So today I just want you to be exploring our town. We'll progress further next week where we will actually be looking at the world. But today your task is to take a screenshot of our world, our country, our state, our town, and then find your house. So a little bit of an explore today of Google Earth, and I hope you enjoy it. Spend some time walking around our local community.